Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today. I'm going to be changing the oil and filter on this 2024 Audi Q2. So let's get to it. Firstly, undo the oil filler cap, and then we're going to have to remove the under tray. Now I know I've time-lapsed this bit, don't worry, in a second I'll show you with the tray off exactly where the location of the bolts are and some tips and tricks on that. So with this tray removed, just a quick point to note, to release it, you've got some tabs there. You have to get a screwdriver flattened on both of them. But yeah, look, I'm going to show you how to remove it. So in the middle, you've got one Torx 25 bit, and then around the outside there, you've got 3 that side, and then you've got 4 that side, which is odd, I know. Then, so you've removed that one, 4 there, 3 there. Then you move into the middle bit, which is just there. There's 3. And then you've got 2 plastic bungs. I've never seen anyone have to remove these before. I assume that most garages will literally bin these off after their first service because they're plastic, and then they're drilled straight into plastic on that one. Okay, so just use again Torx 25 bit. Be really careful because they are soft, and then take them out, and that's how you get it out. So this is the front of the engine. As you can see, there's the radiator, just for orientation purposes. Straight back is your filter, and then you keep coming back, and there is your sump plug. Now, essentially, if you get lost, follow the filter, you'll find the sump, which is here, this big black thing, and then follow it all the way to the rear. That's your sump plug. So all you're going to do is loosen off on that sump plug, and then get a drain container underneath it, and then undo the rest by hand. Make sure you have some cloths to hand as well. Tip I like to do is just get some fresh oil with the drain plug off, just 100 ml or so, and that will just flush any last little bits out. There you go, you can see there, it's nice and clear. With a 19 ml socket, set your torque wrench to 30 newton meters of torque. With your new sump plug and copper washer, we're going to refit that. Now the garage before, I don't think actually changed it because it still had paint on the washer. Put the new sump plug in, and also clean the area around it with general purpose spray and some kitchen roll. This will help you identify leaks later on. Now we're going to prepare our new oil filter by lightly smoothing some fresh engine oil around the seal. So there's plenty of filter removal tools you can use. I like using this one on this particular car. However, some you can get ones which is like a socket which goes onto the bottom, and a spider, or a chain which goes around. I've got all of them, but all you're going to do is put that around there, grip it, and then turn it lefty-loosey. I would show you on the car, but it's quite it's not tight in there, but it's just hard to film. So that's how you're going to do it. Put that on there, clamp it on, and then turn it to the left. So I'm just going to clean that surface there once it's all drained out. The special socket for the filters, then it is 20 newton meters of torque, or just do it so the filter contacts with the manifold itself, and then it's a further of a 1/3 turn with your hands, nice and tight, but not too tight. The capacity for this car is 4.2 litres, however I'd just put 4 litres in and then check the dipstick. Note, when you do turn the car on, you are going to lose some engine oil to fill the filter. Now it's full, all we're going to do is go under here, and we're going to check the leaks around the filter housing and the sump plug itself. Giving the area a good clean, and then all we're going to do is run the car up before we put the under tray on to check for leaks. So thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, check the comments. There will be a link to a video on how to reset the service light on this, and also a link to a playlist for all things maintenance on this Audi Q2. It is a good friend of mine's car, so I will be doing lots of maintenance on it in the future. So if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments, and see you on the next one.